What's going on, guys? Joel Robinson here, and in this video we are shooting One of Us is Lying from Boomwow Fireworks. I'm not gonna lie, it took me a long time to read exactly what that says. One of Us is Lying from Boomwow Fireworks. This is a 9-shot 500-gram cake. The performance is listed on the side here. 41 seconds in duration. Performance says super long-lasting brocade with green glitter inside of it. All right, looks like it's quite large board, so that's exciting. Probably some massive brakes. Let's shoot it off. It's got some good weight. That's nice break. Beautiful.